Hello guys, and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you the easiest way how you could enable the on-screen keyboard in Windows 11. To do that, take your mouse and click on the Windows sign or logo in your taskbar, or just the start option. Here you will have multiple options, so we will need to navigate to settings. You will see it here. This is the option, and click on it. Once the settings will load, you need to go to accessibility on the left menu. Scroll down to the bottom and you will find under interaction keyboard. In keyboard, you want to scroll down to the bottom and you want to see on-screen keyboard. Click on turn on, and here you go. I hope this video tutorial is helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, you can always write us a comment or send us an email and we'll do our best to help you. If you'd like to encourage us to make more video tutorials, you can always do that by clicking like and share. And do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and talk to you soon in a